everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, the trailer for Chatta Pacha is here, The Ring of Rowdies, and this movie is releasing on 22nd Jan, and I had loved the first glimpse and I loved the title track. I absolutely loved the title track of this film. So yeah, we have the trailer. Let's not delay this any further. Let's watch it right away.
ഇംഗ്ലീഷാ പേടിക്കണ്ട, ഞാൻ പഠിപ്പിച്ചിടുന്ന.
Okay.
പണ്ട് വാൾട്ടർ ഇവിടെ ഓണാക്കണം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞൊരു പരിപാടി ഉണ്ട്.
അമേരിക്കൻ ഐറ്റമാണ്, നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിൽ ഇറക്കണ.
കോസ്റ്റ്യൂം കുസ്തിയാ ഇത് പോയടാ.
എടാ, കോസ്റ്റ്യൂം കുസ്തിക്ക് നാടകീയത ഉണ്ട്, കലക്കൻ മ്യൂസിക്കും ഉണ്ട്.
കാണാൻ ആരുണ്ട്?
ഇതാണോ നീയൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞ പരിപാടി?
എടാ, നിനക്കൊക്കെ ഇവിടെ പണിയും ചെയ്ത് ജീവിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല.
ഇവിടെ കാര്യം നിങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞ ഈ പരിപാടി എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവില്ലടാ.
ഇവിടെ ഇരിക്കും നമ്മുടെ റെസ്ലിംഗ്. നമ്മൾ പഴയ കട്ടക്കാരല്ലേ, ഒന്നും പിടിച്ചാലാ.
ഇത് നമ്മ വിചാരിച്ച പോലെ അല്ലല്ല, കയ്യിന്ന് പോയല്ലടാ.
എന്താ പറ്റിയേ?
ബാറ്ററി ഇറങ്ങി.
ഞാൻ എന്റെ കൊച്ചിന്റെ കൂടെ ഒന്ന് സമാധാനമായിട്ട് ജീവിക്കാൻ വന്നതാണ്. അത് നിങ്ങളുടെ കൂടി മാർഗംകളി കൂടാനായിട്ടല്ല.
This is gonna be crazy. This is going to be crazy. The fights are what I'm looking forward to.
തീർക്കണ കൂട്ടുമ്പടക്കം ഫുൾ പവർ.
Next Friday Fight Night, the biggest Friday Fight Night.
നീ ഒന്നും നോക്കണ്ട.
Oh, the music. So good. Just the adrenaline rush that it gives you with the music and all the shots. Okay. So something interesting is that I have been told that Mamuka is actually having a cameo in this. Is the last guy? Is that him? I don't know. Anyway, this looks what I expected it to look like. Okay, firstly, you're a Malayalam film which is completely centered around WWE, and you see this conversation happening that, oh, let us bring something like that. It's like American style fighting. Let us bring that here in our town. It'll bring some novelty and whatnot, right? And you see them seeking permission and trying to convince people that no, this is something really fun and entertaining, and people will be entertained, and let's start this. And obviously it kind of probably becomes their identity, this town's identity. You see Roshan Mathew kind of he is a serious character in the film, and something happens where he also gets intertwined in this, and probably something happens, and for his honor or something, we'll see and find out what is it in the story. When the film releases, he does the fight. Maybe the final fight is like that big epic fight that they're talking about, right? The Friday Fight Night. So yeah, it looks very, very adrenaline rushed, action packed. I'm actually looking forward to see how they have shot the WWE scenes. That should be very, very interesting. And overall, this looks very dynamic, and I think the movie is probably going to have a lot of these high moments. But what I'm really looking forward to is that how they get us invested into these characters, because yeah, the cinematography, from the looks of it, the cinematography, the fight sequences, the craziness, all of that is there. Even the way the color grading is done, you just know it's going to be very dynamic, and I completely trust this industry to excel in these technical aspects for sure. Even I love the title song, and looking at this, the BGM, it's going to be extremely, I don't know, funky in a way, and I don't want to say loud, but it'll definitely not be like the subdued kind of music. But are we going to get the mellow moments or not in this film? Something actually I'm wondering, like, because I feel that Roshan Mathews' character is that character that gives it some gravitas and those mellow moments that because he seems like a very serious kind of character. He has that look, he has that persona in this trailer. So maybe those heavy moments come from Roshan's character. So yeah, that's what my take and assessment is after watching this trailer. And yes, this is going to be like a huge pan-India release because you see so many production houses kind of backing this up, and that's very, very interesting. And it's very positive for me to see finally a Malayalam film, you know, it is happening to a Malayalam film, actually, that big production houses from across various industries are backing this release in various languages. So yeah, what are your expectations? What did you think of this trailer? I love how it's very concealed, which most of the Malayalam trailers are. They are very, very concealed. They don't give out too much. They've just given you a glimpse of the world, and I feel that's enough. So yeah, that's it. That was the reaction to Chatta Pacha, and you let me know what are your thoughts in the comments. And with that, I will end this video here, and I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye.